So I hear some voices out there, and I got to introduce you to these guys out here. I got a couple good.
Whoa!
Now here,
Oh,
who do we have here?
Look at this guy with his gimbal.
Yeah.
Right?
So guys, this is what we're gonna take care of tonight. You see how cloudy those are?
I cannot see out of those at night. So when I'm coming back from shows and I'm trying to do stuff, I safely can't get home. Mark, I need your help.
We got this guy over here working on some shit. What are we working on here, buddy?
We're putting in a switch for the ceiling fan, so it goes from exhaust only to, what is it, multi-directional? Yeah, that's the guy.
Multi-directional, yeah, out and in. So this is the switch that he's gonna put in. Making a little hole there.
A little hole. It's very technical work, don't judge me.
Especially with the Leatherman.
Right? Like hard mode.
That's why they make them.
Exactly.
So guys, yeah, if you have any shitty looking headlights, this is what they could look like. This one's a little bit different. This one has a little bit more going on with it. So, but you guys saw the before and after. I'll post one up in the corner here and go from there.
Should be your next project.
Oh yeah, well that's what I'm supposed to be working on. But
Come into the jars. Take it easy.
okay, let's do this. We got lots of light here. Hi, kitty. Hi, buddy. What are you doing? Come here, big kitty. Come here, big kitty.
Alright, so.
Come here.
I'm Heather. That's Stella.
Hi, Stella. Oh, you big freak. Oh, you big freak. Oh, you big freak. Oh, you big freak. Look at little Stella. Oh, you good Stella. I know. You don't mind me walking around doing all the...
Drawer. Come on back here. So now right to your left there, to the left of the vent, you can pull that panel right off. Just mind the O2 sensor as well. Yep. You better get the camera set up. There you go.
Okay. Yeah. So, what was your thoughts on not just as easy setup, just to get it in there?
Just to not put it flush to the floor.
Yeah.
Was just obviously it's coming from the like where the exhaust pipe connects to the bottom of the unit.
Yeah.
So just hitting that with RTV around there, because it only comes out in that crazy amount when I flooded the thing with fuel, right? Ever since I removed my filter, it's been fine. Yes, I get the faintest whiff of diesel on startup and,
Yep.
and power down.
Yeah.
But other than that, when it's running, it's fine. So there's obviously just the littlest leak right like where I clamped it.
Would you want it against the floor?
Again, how are you going to do that? Like, look where it goes in.
Yeah, that's exactly where Bruce's is. And
No, I
his
know. But he goes, does he have a wheel well box?
Yeah.
Because my wheel well box has a frame around it of 2x2s. So if it goes lower, there's a 2x2 on the inside of the box that would have to be cut through.
Yeah.
Oh, fucking yeah.
Yeah. Duh.
I mean, whatever. I mean, this. That's good. Because Stella's usually terrified of. Oh, no. She's like. I really don't. Not yet.
But we could, yeah, no, that's definitely a little bit workable for sure. Like, we could set that right on the ground for you, or right on the floor. That's exactly where
Bruce's is. Yeah.
Exactly, like identical.
Bruce, this is all your fault. I know a bunch of people commented about it, but let's get serious.
Bruce
VanLife
making work
Juniors.
projects.
Yeah, seriously.
And that's a 5 or an 8.
It's an well. It says it's an 8, but what I've heard is that
Yeah,
the 8s
there's
are
no
just
such-
there's no such thing.
Yeah.
Like the only reason I got that, I didn't get it because it was an 8. I got it because it would be here tomorrow, right? So
And that's just the Amazon Happy Buy, whatever.
yeah, it wasn't Happy Buy, but exactly, it was
Yeah,
off
yeah.
Amazon,
Okay.
so they're all the same.
And where's your controller? Right there?
Yep. Hey! You stop rubbing up on his phone, causing all the shakes.
Oh, honey bunny.
All right.
Oh, honey
So
bunny.
cute.
You big
You
freak.
being friendly, Penny? Mm.
Do you know anything about your settings? Your altitude settings or
No,
anything?
okay, all right. This is about to get real serious. No,
just-
somebody mentioned that to me about setting that shit, and that's all in the advanced settings. I'm assuming you've perused the manuals that come with these things. They're a
yeah.
goddamn joke.
I'm just going to go through your stuff here. Go through your controller, not your stuff.
Whatever. It's all my stuff.
That 5.5 for your high.
I don't know what that means. What does that mean?
So
Tell me.
The P in the secret settings
Yeah.
area is your pulse rate.
Okay.
So
Like, I rip through diesel on high. Like, rip.
that's why, because you're on 5.5.
Okay. So obviously then lowering that is a good thing?
Yep.
What does that do, though?
It
Like, what
saves
does the
you
pulse
fuel.
rate do? Yeah, I know, but in terms of like
That's
heat,
your, because where's your pump is inside too.
my
isn't
pump's inside that. We're going to have to pull all that shit out if you want to see it.
it? Yeah, and that's the thing. We could mount all your filter, your fuel lines, your pump, everything outside and get it quiet, get it all.
Yeah, but I was worried about road shit. Cutting my line and
They're meant for outside, man.
Right.
Not
Yeah, but it's from China.
nobody that I know has any. That's why.
So like,
No,
I
this
I
is
feel
all
bad.
content, really.
Did you take a dump? Did somebody poop? It stinks like shit. It's not your shit though. Aaron, did you dump? I think he's inside.
So, how much? You got lots of diesel there?
Yeah, and I
Can
got
I-
a whole jerry can full.
Can I turn it on?
Yep. Should be on high too. I think I was just last time I was running it. So what? So that 5.5. What should that be at?
I have mine at 3.5. So my diesel lasts forever. Same with Ruth. When I first heard hers is like,
Yeah, that's mine.
mine on high is just like,
Crazy.
and then my diesel lasts for so long because when I hear,
What are you saying, Nancy?
Your home? Is this your home, sir?
This is my home.
This
Oh,
is-
we've
we
got
should eat
pizza.
We probably should
in
eat
his
pizza.
home.
and I'll get you some
Probably
water too.
Yes, let's do.
I don't. You want to climb in
What a
here?
freaking clown! I sent them a message like, "Where the hell are you guys?" Oh,
You're
we
still
missed, we
recording.
missed, you missed. No, it's not.
Just
I don't care.
edit that shit out.
Edit it out.
Just give me 1 second. I just want to get this pump, and once this pump, we'll eat pizza while this is.
I didn't invite you in, but there's no room to sit.
No,
This
we'll,
shit's not
we'll
prepped.
go inside.
You have a couch right there. What are you talking about?
Yeah, I know, but do you see the shit on it?
Thanks, Stella.
You got a couch right there. Hi.
What do you think, Penny? What do you think? Yeah, I know. I know.
We're gonna save our lives, and then we're gonna owe him everything, and everybody on YouTube's gonna be like, "I told you so."
We told you. Should have done this a long time ago.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, we can.
We're sorry, the number you have dialed is not in service at this time.